We're going to go ahead and graph y equals 4x plus 1. Now, while we can graph this by creating a table of values, substituting for x and finding the corresponding y's, the simplest way to graph a linear function is to recognize the components of the equation. If we recognize that all linear equations can be written in the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, that is, rise over run, how the line moves, and that b is the y-intercept, where our line crosses on the y-axis, it saves us a lot of effort. In this case, we recognize that our slope is 4, meaning our rise is 4, and our run is 1. And our y-intercept is 1, so 0, 1. We will start by plotting our y-intercept at 0, 1, and then we will use our slope of 4 over 1 to plot subsequent points. We will go up 4 squares from this intercept, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1 to get the next point. We will repeat this process a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. Now we can also do this in reverse by going down and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. And then we will connect those points, creating our linear equations graph. Now, let's try again. Y equals 1/4 x plus 3. So once again, the number in front of x is our slope, our rise and run, and the value added or subtracted is our y-intercept. So we know we will intercept at 0, 3 on the y-axis, and our slope says to rise 1 and run 4. So from this intercept, we will go up 1 unit vertically, and then 4 across horizontally. And then we repeat this process, up 1, over 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can do it in reverse as well. Down 1, over 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, over 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just like before, connect those. And now we've graphed y equals 1/4 x plus 3. Let's try one more. Let's graph y equals negative 3x plus 7. In this case, we see our slope is negative 3. So that means our rise is down 3 and our run is 1. Our y-intercept is 7. So we'll start at 0, 7 as our first point, and then from there we will go down 3 units, 1, 2, 3, over 1. Down 1, 2, 3, over 1, and we'll repeat this process. 1, 2, 3, over 1, 1, 2, 3, over 1, 1, 2, 3, over 1, and then we can do it in reverse as well. Up 1, 2, 3, and left 1. Then we will connect those to graph our linear equation.